President Mnangagwa has fired Minister Monica Mutsvangwa from government. This followed her 3-year suspension from ZANU-PF by the Revolutionary Party's Politburo last week for gross misconduct and indiscipline. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving updates from our channel. Acting Secretary for Information, Media and Broadcasting Services confirmed the development yesterday. As far as I understand, Deputy Minister Monica Mutsvangwa was indeed served with a letter relieving her of her duties in government at the weekend. Comrade Mutsvangwa was relieved of her duties at the same time her husband Christopher Mutsvangwa. Comrade Mutsvangwa was Minister for the Welfare Services for war veterans, war collaborators, former political detainees and restrictees. Comrade Christopher Mutsvangwa, who is the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association chairman, was also given a 3-year suspension by the ZANU-PF Politburo last Thursday. He was suspended for gross misconduct and disloyalty. The couple will not hold any position in the party during their suspension. Comrade Mutsvangwa is the Northern National Assembly representative, while his wife is the senator for Manicaland. The ZANU-PF Women's League passed a vote of no confidence on Comrade Mutsvangwa as the league's spokesperson last year for indiscipline, after she participated in an illegal meeting that tried to overturn the ousting of Manicaland chairlady Comrade Happiness Nyakuyedzwa. So this is what's coming from our news sources about Monica Mutsvangwa, who was booted from her position and in ZANU-PF also. Tell us what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from Zim News Live.